Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at a highly practical upgrade and repair solution for your vehicle, the LCD touchscreen replacement DJ080PA-01A Digitizer screen, designed to fit a wide range of GM vehicles, including the 2014-2018 Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, Colorado, and GMC Sierra and Yukon models. If your MyLink 8-inch touchscreen has become unresponsive, cracked, or stopped functioning properly, this OEM replacement is exactly what you need. One of the most frustrating issues drivers face is a malfunctioning infotainment screen. Whether it's ghost touches, dead spots, or a completely blacked out display, it can take away from both convenience and safety on the road. This OEM-quality digitizer screen is designed to restore your factory navigation and multimedia system to like new condition. You'll regain full access to your touchscreen controls, Bluetooth connectivity, music, maps, climate control, and all the functions integrated into your MyLink system. This replacement unit is built with high-quality materials that match OEM standards, ensuring responsive touch functionality, vibrant display quality, and long-lasting durability. Installation is straightforward for professionals or experienced DIYers, making it a cost-effective solution compared to dealer replacement units that often cost several times more. The screen fits seamlessly into your existing infotainment system without the need for modifications, preserving the factory look and feel of your vehicle's interior. It's a direct fit replacement, meaning all connections align properly, so you won't be dealing with compatibility headaches. So if your screen is cracked, unresponsive, or glitching out, this DJ080PA-01A Digitizer touchscreen replacement is an excellent way to restore full functionality without breaking the bank. Check out the link in the description below if you're ready to bring your infotainment system back to life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more detailed reviews on the best gadgets, car tech, and upgrades for your everyday life.